How to install drop-in anchors. Drop-in anchors are paired with machine screws or bolts to fasten applications to concrete or stone, typically used in overhead applications. For this installation, you'll require a hammer drill, a masonry drill bit, and a setting tool. Hole size and depth are important when installing drop-in anchors. We list the correct hole size on the product details of each anchor on our website. Make sure to calculate the depth of your hole using the length of the mating fastener and the thickness of your application. You can measure and use tape to mark the depth to drill. Drill the hole into the concrete using a hammer drill and masonry drill bit. Clear the hole of any dust and debris so that the anchor can seat properly. Drop the anchor into the hole. Insert the narrow end of the setting tool into the hole and using a hammer or mallet, strike the top of the tool to set the anchor in place. Using a machine screw or bolt, fasten your application to the drop-in anchor. For more information on sizing and how to install drop-in anchors, visit boltdepot.com. Fastener shopping made easy.